Do you want to create a countdown timer in PowerPoint that looks completely professional and makes your audience say wow? Today, you are going to learn exactly that. Hello friends, today we will learn how to make a countdown timer slideshow in PowerPoint. But honestly, most times people create PowerPoint slides that looks boring. So, today we will create an animated countdown that looks smooth, clean and super engaging. First, go to Shapes and select a hollow shape. Drag it onto the slide to create a circle. Now, drag the yellow handle to the left side so the shape becomes slightly open. After that, align the shape to the center and middle. Now, draw a rectangle, then align center and make a duplicate of it. Then, select both the hollow shape and the rectangle, click on Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Rotate the shape slightly and repeat the same process. This will create a circular design that looks like a timer. Now, let's make this shape attractive. In Shape Fill, select red color and set Outline to No Outline. Go to Shape Effects and apply a bevel to give it a slightly 3D look. Duplicate this shape and change its color to yellow. Align it to the center and make it slightly smaller. Now, add a text box and type 5. Set the color to white. Keep the font Arial. Make it bold and align the text to the center and middle. Make the copies of this text box and change the numbers to 4, 3, 2 and 1. Go to the selection pane and rename all the text boxes so it becomes easier to manage animations. Now comes the most important part, animation. Select the yellow hollow shape and go to the animation tab. Then apply the spin animation. In effect option, select quarter spin, set it to counterclockwise and turn on auto reverse. Set start with previous and duration to 0.5 seconds so the animation feels fast. Now select the text box and apply the fade animation. Set start with previous and duration to 0.5 seconds. For the next yellow shape, apply an exit animation using fade. Set start with previous and delay to 0.5 seconds. Apply the same fade exit animation to the text box and keep start as with previous. Now select the red hollow shape and apply the spin animation. In effect option, choose quarter spin and enable auto reverse. Set start with previous and duration to 0.5 seconds. To create a smooth loop, apply an appear animation to the yellow hollow shape. Set start with previous and delay to 1 second. Now Copy and apply the same animation sequence to the remaining numbers 4, 3, 2 and 1. This will make the entire countdown run smoothly and automatically. If you are finding this tutorial useful, like the video now and subscribe to the channel because you won't find such practical PowerPoint tricks anywhere else. Now, when you run the slideshow, the numbers will change smoothly, the circular animation will rotate, and the entire timer will look highly professional and engaging. This is perfect for quizzes, presentation, exams, and YouTube videos. Now, go ahead and try it yourself and tell me in the comments where you are used this timer. If you like the video, share it and stay ready for the next one because we are going to learn even more powerful PowerPoint animations. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.